On 26 October 2024, Birla Public School, Ganganagar proudly hosted an inter-school Rubik's Cube tournament, drawing students from various schools to display their speed, cubic and puzzle-solving talents. Organized under the guidance of Principal Dr. Nitesh Kumar Singh and HM Mrs. Suchita Rathod, the event began with a warm welcome for Chief Guest Mr. Satpal Kasania, former Director of Mayawali, who was greeted by our respected Principal Sir and HM Ma'am. The event saw enthusiastic participation and showcased the students' impressive problem-solving skills and concentration. The tournament fostered a spirit of healthy competition and encouraged the students to sharpen their cognitive abilities and patience, aligning with the school's commitment to holistic development. After the intense rounds of competition, Mr. Kasania felicitated the winners, first runner-up and second runner-up, recognizing their hard work and dedication. To conclude the event, he delivered an inspiring speech on the power of persistence and intellectual growth, leaving the audience motivated and appreciative.
बच्चों ने ये प्रोग्राम किया, अलग-अलग विद्यालयों से तो टीम आई है, इन्होंने एक खेल जो करने का काम किया, ये अपने भी एक प्रिंसिपल साहब बोलना पड़ता है। इन बच्चों ने एक दिन में तो ये काम किया, तो बड़ा सराहनीय की काम है बच्चों का उत्साह।
The tournament highlighted the school's commitment to fostering critical thinking and a love for challenges among students. Birla Public School, Ganganagar, a step ahead.